the Lightning Digital AV Cable Mira screen. Cast anything with the big screen. So we're going to cast it on here. So let's open this puppy up. My categories. Let's open this up. Okay, so we plug it up from there. You can tell right over here. It's hard to tell. It's dark. Plug that up the USB and the HDMI. We ran it to here. Here's Jose Zuniga. And we're going to click play. There you go. It's working really good. This is exciting, man. This works great. It's well worth it. See? You can watch it as a smart TV, you know, throughout your... So, as you can tell, it works. This is great to have. A little bit more complicated when it's an iPhone 10. I noticed the iPhone 6 works out perfectly. It's not the perfect images I thought I would get. Granted, the iPhone 6 Plus is, it's not 4K, but it's 1048 IP, I believe. So, better than nothing. So, do I recommend to get it? Yeah, I do. And it was only like $8. And where the heck is it? Oh boy, I put it somewhere and I can't find it. That's great. Perfect job. So does it work? Yeah, it's 1048 IP I'm running with the iPhone 6 Plus. So I highly recommend it. It's the Lightning. It's not going to run 4K because the iPhone itself is not 4K. This one is, but the old ones no. But you know what? It does a job. So we're going to put this away. Like and subscribe and follow too. So this is like for YouTube, Rizzle, TikTok, and maybe Instagram. So subscribe, follow me here, Brandon the Archivist. Catch you guys later. And yeah, I do recommend. I put the URL on the bottom, and we go from there. And if you have any questions or comments, this is, like I said, it's 1080p. So it's not 4K, but it's better than nothing, and it runs. And yeah, like I said, I could plug up my HDMI and run it, and I can try that, but it's a lot easier to do this. Plus, it charges your phone. So, and trust me, this phone, the old iPhone, doesn't work well charging. So it charges, so we'll take it. Okay, so if you have any more questions, Jose, do you have any more questions? Jose, do you have any more questions? No, he doesn't. Okay, catch you guys later, and I'll do another unboxing very shortly. I have a lifestyle unboxing coming out, so catch you guys later. Thanks for like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.